think I'll just knock it down. We don't get to just knock buildings down that often. Oh yeah. The neighbor came by a minute ago and got a bunch of wood that was, I was gonna take it home, use it on the chicken pen, but he acted like he really wanted it, so I just let him have it. Try to keep the neighbors happy. See if I can get this without busting my windshield.